English tip by tip.
Tip 10.
Say goodbye or go to bed. I'll go home. Good night.
See you soon. It's too late. I'm going home.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Grandma.
See you tomorrow, Mom.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Sweet dreams, my dear. Good night, my dear.
Love you, Mom.
Tip 10.
Exercise. Fishing.
It was nice meeting you.
Good night.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.